spill kits are part of a proper spill containment plan and help you keep safe from unexpected spills or leaks. For a fast response, kits should be located where an incident is most likely to occur. So shipping and receiving, chemical storage areas, hydrocarbon storage areas, or in vehicles. A universal kit cleans up all liquid spills. An oil-only kit works with hydrocarbons, so gas, diesel, and oil. And a chemical kit is specific for chemical spills, including acids. The Brady SPC kit usually has, well, an instruction sheet to show you what to do with the spill. It has safety neutral gloves for a safe cleanup. It has also socks to contain the spill, so watch out for drains to prevent the spill from flowing into it. It also has pads to help with the cleanup and the hazmat bag to put everything out at the end. Some kits will have extra tools such as brooms and shovels or more PPE.